Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports, and we begin with an update from the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, where 13 events have been completed so far in the morning session of day 2 of the 113th staging of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships at the National Stadium. Now, Karen Madden joins us live with an update.
Thanks so much, Gio. Under blazing sunshine, clear blue skies and a slight breeze, the 400-meter semifinals in all classes took center stage in the morning session on day 2. Of course, with only the top 2 finishers guaranteed an automatic spot, the athletes were very focused on executing intelligently to book a spot in Thursday evening's final. The Class 1 400-meter girls favorite Ricky and Russell of Homo Technical easily took semifinal 1 in 53.78. The Heidel captain Onika Makanoff took semifinal 2 in 52.27.
50 meters to go, and it's Onika Makanoff, tall, powerful, and leads them into the home stretch. The best of 51.94 for her this season, and she's definitely in total control and will easily take semi-final 2, as Beckford of Edwin Allen will hold on to that second automatic spot. Onika Makanoff comes across the line now to win the semi-final 2 ahead of Beckford, close going for third.
While semi-final 3 went to Casey and Powell of Edwin Allen in 53.63. On the boys' side, JC's Malik Smith Band took semi-final 1 in 46.56. Casey's Amal Glasgow took semi-final 2 in a personal best 46.90. Pre-race favorite Delano Kennedy took semi-final 3 in 46.69.
And they come inside the home stretch. It's Smith Band of JC. Dennis has some work to do, but it's Malik Smith Band who has run the best race strategically and is rewarded for that ahead of Dennis. And let's see, flash time there, 46.59.
The fastest qualifier in the Class 2 boys 400 meters was Calabar's Nicole Bramwell in 48.47. Class 2 girls went to Jody and Dale with fastest qualifying time of 53.66. That's Daly of Highdale. Class 3 girls fastest qualifier was Natasha Fletcher, also of Highdale, in 54.60, while Casey's Jordan Riedel is the fastest qualifier on the boys' side in Class 3 in 51.07. The morning session also featured the first sightings of the decathlon boys, as well as the girls' high and long jumps and shot put in Class 3 and 4. Anticipation is building nicely now as we take a small break on the track. Some field events rather, still going on. Of course, the 1500-meter finals and the red-hot 100-meter finals are scheduled for this afternoon going into the evening session. From the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships at the National Stadium, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Karen. Meanwhile, the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Championships has caught the diplomatic eyes of Trinidad and Tobago Sports Minister Shamfo Kojo. Kojo says while there's a secondary high school track and field meet in Trinidad and Tobago, she was lured back to Jamaica after her earlier trip this year.
Well, the government of Trinidad and Tobago is partnering with the government of Jamaica towards strengthening not only diplomatic relations, but strengthening our systems in sport. Jamaica has had a long, strong history of sport development, of taking care of the athletes, especially sport development at the school level. So we are working towards strengthening our structures and strengthening our systems.
And of course, we'll have more from the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships in primetime sports later. In the meantime, you can continue watching the championships on all our platforms. That's it for your midday sports report. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Giovanni. And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.